Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Desloratadine. Did you know it's a medicine commonly used for allergies? Join me as we learn how and when to use it. Desloratadine is great for calming allergy symptoms, like a stuffy nose and sneezing, or hives and swelling. If your eyes are watery, your skin is itchy, or you're really congested, your doctor might have prescribed it for you. So how does it work? Desloratadine blocks histamine, the thing our body makes that causes allergic reactions. Basically, it helps stop allergies before they get bad. About the dose, the most important thing is to follow exactly what your doctor tells you. Usually, adults and children over 12 years old take one 5-milligram pill a day. Try to take it at the same time every day so it can work properly. Let's talk about side effects. Not everyone gets them, but some people might feel tired, have a dry mouth, or get a headache. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. And remember, if you are allergic to Desloratadine or any of its ingredients, don't take it. To sum up, Desloratadine works really well to relieve allergies if you take it as your doctor tells you to. Always listen to your doctor and pay attention to how you feel. Take care and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.